thanks to Chicago's #1 weather anchor, Tom Skilling from WGN. Before today's game, Tom spoke to a group of Chicagoland children about recent weather events.
The storm, you see it right there, is shown approaching Tuscaloosa. Now, tornadoes are all different sizes, and they also have different strength winds. Some little tornadoes will have 50-mile-an-hour winds. The big ones have winds that top out around 320 miles per hour. This was a big one. This thing was 1.5 miles across at times, which is humongous in tornado standards. I should explain to you that, tornadoes come from thunderstorms. And thunderstorms produce two kinds of damaging winds. Air that falls out of the cloud, we call those outflows or downbursts or microbursts. You've heard about that. They've caused plane crashes over the years and all. But a tornado forms when air is sucked up into the cloud at great speed. And the air around the cloud rushes in to fill in for it, and you start getting a swirl to develop. What do you do in a tornado? And how does a tornado do its damage? Well, the winds, obviously. But in terms of injuring people, it picks up debris, glass, metal, wood, blows it through the air. They're like projectiles. I've often said that a tornado coming at you is like a wall of knives coming at you. And, when we tell you to protect yourself from tornadoes, there are two things we're trying to do to keep you from being hit by stuff that's blowing through the air, the projectiles. And that's why we tell people, if you're outside when a tornado comes, lay flat, hopefully in a ditch. People in Chicago say, don't the buildings protect us, or doesn't the lake protect us? The answer is no. The circulation of a tornado runs up to 55,000 feet into the atmosphere. And the Sears Tower and the Hancock Building, even our tallest buildings, are only a little over 1,500 feet high. So they don't disrupt the circulation of a tornado at all.
Up next, today's line.